Ever dreamed of earning from home without leaving your kids? I'm here to show you how to make that dream a reality with digital marketing. If you're like me and you're pregnant with a toddler, or you're already juggling young kids and you're dreading the thought of going back to work after maternity leave, you need to listen up. This is the Digital Growth Community, and it has taught me exactly what to do to start an online business with digital marketing from start to finish. This is the key to staying home with your sweet baby after they're born. If you have no idea what you'd want to sell online, or you have no time to spend to create products, because let's be honest, you're a mom who's constantly chasing a toddler and you're lucky if you remember to even take your vitamins today or brush your hair. It also comes with master resale rights, and this is where you can resell the program for 100% profit. I've dropped over $15K on courses to learn how to earn online. And when I found this program, it is so freaking different from all of the other different digital marketing courses on the market, because you have 4 different program options and one size does not fit all. Everyone's financial situation is not the same. So you have options starting at 100, 300, 600, and 900. So you can pick what works for you and your family and your financial needs. There's a community you have access to 24/7 with 8 bonus programs that you get at every level. There is weekly mentoring with no upcharge. You have access to lifetime trainings and continued trainings every single week. If you are willing to plug in, be coachable, and just do the dang thing, you will succeed. That is what is different from this than everything else. I am so passionate about it because, y'all, I have been through the ringer with the trying to learn how to earn online space, and there is nothing like this community. If you are ready to learn how to earn online, to be home with that baby and not have to go back to work after maternity leave, put ready in the comments below and I would love to send you some information. If you have questions, drop them below or send me a DM and let's chat, my friend.